y'all, it's Courtney here. This video is so overdue, y'all. I don't know why I've been so nervous to introduce fashion content to my channel, but it is definitely something that I'm extremely interested in, almost the same as hair. I'm so appreciative to all of you who support my hair care content, but look, we coming with something new today, and it's all about thrifting. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I will be sharing my favorite thrifted pieces for fall and winter. I know that we are well into fall, but these pieces that I'm going to show you are good for fall as well as transitioning into winter. And I'm going to also show you the pieces, give you kind of a little background of where the piece came from. If I remember the price, I will give that, but I also want to show some clips of how I would style them as well, so stay tuned. This is just a small collection of my bigger thrifted collection because I am almost obsessed with thrifting because it's so sustainable. It's a way to look fly and cute with exclusive pieces that did not cost too much to get. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into this video. So the first piece, and probably one of the oldest pieces I have, is this woman's dress. I got this from actually a smaller thrift store. It's a woman who owns an online thrift shop. Purchased this dress that I have worn so many different ways, and I love this dress because it can be moved between pretty much all of the seasons. It has shoulder pads, and then it has this sort of wrap effect with the pocket here, and I like to put a belt around the middle to kind of conceal the elastic here. I've never had Fashion Nova jeans, and I've always wanted to try them, so I actually was able to snag this pair for only $2.50. They were missing a button here, and I found one on Amazon, just went ahead and replaced that, and I really love these jeans. They fit really well, and it was great for me to be able to try these out without having to spend $30 to $40, which I believe Fashion Nova jeans are. So I have been mostly wearing my skinny jeans, kind of dressing them up a little bit more for dinner dates with friends or whatever. So I'm not corporate anymore, but I do like to keep a couple slacks in my closet just in case I have, you know, a meeting or interview or anywhere that I need to go. They are high-waisted, regular fitting at the bottom. Most of you don't know me, but you will get to know my style, and I'm definitely more of like tomboy chic, so you'll catch me a lot in sweats and tees and hoodies for the most part. But as I get older, you know, I'm getting closer to 30, sometimes I gotta get cute and grown, so I like to keep certain pieces in my closet so that in a jiffy I could do that, because there was one time where I literally had no dress clothes. I felt like I was wearing tees and hoodies to everything. I've had these pants for between 3 to 4 years. I really don't remember how much they cost, but I can guarantee they were under $10, most likely under $5. Next is this skirt that I actually picked up recently. It says $6, but I'm sure it was 50% off this recent holiday. So just a very basic corduroy mini skirt that I can dress up or down for this fall. I love to wear something like this with boots and either have my legs out, or I can do a nice little sheer tight. You'll kind of see me wear a lot of neutrals because I love all of my pieces to pretty much be matched. They can be mixed and matched, so that's typically how I shop, even if it's subconscious. A lot of things that I buy typically go well together. So next, I also got this recently. It's a really definitely authentic suede small jacket. It is a size small, so it does fit me a little small, but the vision that I have for this is really never to zipping it up, so I didn't really mind. But the sleeves still fit well, and it kind of gives a crop feeling because I'm a little on the taller side. This says $9.88, so I got it for half of that, which is $5, y'all. The thrift store is amazing place to be able to find genuine leather, genuine suede, if you're into those things, and these are pieces that last forever. I'm going to show you a leather jacket that I got at least 5 to 6 years ago that is still in the same condition I bought it in, that I know I will have for the rest of my life if I want to. I can pass this down to my daughter eventually, you know. $5. If you were to buy this new, y'all already know this would be like $100+ and that's on the low side. So again, it's a neutral color, so perfect for my blonde hair, perfect for all of the different fall earth tone vibes. And very versatile piece that I believe will get a lot of wear from me this season. This is a basic oversized cream sweater. It actually had the tag on it when I bought it from the thrift store, so it's brand new. It says $7.99, so I got it for half off, which is about $4. Super basic, honestly. Not much to say about it, but it's oversized, so I could easily wear this with like some textured nude earth tone colored leggings. Obviously also with some skinny jeans, high-waisted jeans. It's definitely a great everyday piece. I love getting sweaters in the thrift store, and I'm a girl that loves oversized. I just feel most comfortable in them. I love to pair oversized items with skinnier items, so if it's an oversized pair of pants, I like to pair it with a tighter fitting shirt, and vice versa. Oversized shirt I will wear with tighter fitting pants. On the same lines, but a little more casual, is this oversized crew neck. It got so many wears for me last year. I'm not a huge pink person, but this stood out to me. I've been able to pair it with a lot of the new items in neutral colored items that I already have. It says save the children in human trafficking, and so obviously something that kind of spoke out to me. So it's good to wear on these fall days where it's kind of transitioning. It's not really where you need a coat yet, but it's still a little windy, a little chilly. Then down to the leather jacket I mentioned. This is my cropped leather jacket. If you follow me outside of YouTube, or if you've known me for any amount of time, you've definitely seen this jacket. I wear this almost every day in the fall. Like, I have to kind of tell myself not to put it on because I wear it so much. It's a cropped leather jacket, has zipper details, and a belt here as well. I've gained plenty of pounds since I first bought this, so I don't believe that I can even zipping it up, but I really never get the urge to. So it has shoulder pads here where it gives a lot of vintage look, as well as the back of it. It's really dainty, but also kind of grungy. That's pretty much what I go for. I would wear it with a hoodie like the one that I have on. I'm just gonna throw it on top so you can see. Really cute with like, you know, some heels or a leather booty or something like that. Since I'm typically dressed down, this is typically how I wear it. And this is genuine leather. I remember paying $30 for this, and I was in the thrift store kind of debating because I never really spend that much on one item in a thrift store, but my mom kind of helped me to make the decision that it was a really good decision, and this is not one that I regret at all. I've gotten well over my money's worth, and with how much I love this jacket, I would still easily pay much more than $30 for it because I just love it. And then last but not least for this haul, it is this beautiful coat I got a couple of weeks ago. I love the thrift store for unique finds like this. Like, this is real, it's hefty, it's heavy. I live in DC where we get all of the seasons, we get the real coat, and so this jacket is going to come in handy. I typically go for coats without hoods. I realized that recently. I'm not too sure why, but typically the coats that I go for do not have hoods. So $9.98, $9.98, y'all. The extra flap up here, and it's crazy because I was looking for a jacket like this last year. I really wanted it in like a lighter color. I actually like the color of this wall here, but when I found this brown, I'm like, oh no, this is perfect for me. The particular cleaners that I went to didn't have a leather cleaner, but it definitely does need to be clean. I make sure that anything I thrift gets properly clean because you never know where it came from, but it's definitely good quality enough to give a second home. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of your feedback. Go ahead and leave it below, as well as like, comment, and share this video with one of your friends who love thrifting as well. I am still getting comfortable as far as sharing other parts of me. I am very confident when it comes to sharing my hair tips and my knowledge around hair, being as though I do it every single day. But even though I love fashion every day and I put it into practice when I'm getting dressed, sometimes it's just a little daunting to kind of share information with other people. So definitely let me know, please, what you like about this video. If there's anything else that you want to see, maybe you want to see styles as far as like sneakers, I would love to show you all that. Stay tuned for more. And look, I want to put on for my people who are like, you're not plus size based on the world standards, but you're not small either, and that's just kind of been a little insecurity for me as far as like showing a lookbook and showing my body. However, I've just been pushed, thanks to my friends, to put this content out there because I know there are so many people who look like me, and we are beautiful, and we should love our bodies, and we should dress them the way we want to dress them. So yeah, that's my little piece. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Okay, bye.